Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. This is MasterCraft's newest model home. This is the Kasie. This floor plan features 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 car garage, 4.5 to 5 bathrooms, and has approximately 3,996 square feet to 4,186 square feet, depending on the structural options that you choose. All right, let's take a look. All right guys, here we are at the front porch, and we have an 8-foot tall entry door. And this door has glass, so it'll allow natural light to come in. And we walk into this nice open foyer. Check out that staircase here. And I did just finish filming this model without commentary. So if you want to check out that video, I'm gonna post a link at the end. And this right here is a flex room. It's been decorated as a dining room. That's the nice thing about a flex room. You can, use it as a dining room, maybe use this area as an office. All right, we're gonna continue the tour over here to our left. There we have the garage entry, mechanical room, and then over here we have bedroom 2. And this is an ensuite, so it'll have its own bathroom. Now there is a nice structural option for this floor plan. You can make it into a multi-generational suite. So this bedroom would stay, but this would get pushed out to make a living room. And then the walk-in closet and the bathroom would stay as well. All right, so let's continue our tour over here. We're gonna check out the great room. And over here you see the sliders, allowing lots of natural light, giving you a great view to the outside. Now the sliders are a structural option. If you didn't have the sliders here, you'd have windows. Over here we have the cafe. This is a nice sized cafe. This is 12 by 13 feet. And you can see all of the doors are 8 feet. So that's a standard feature with MasterCraft. So all of the interior doorways will have 8-foot doors. And then on the first floor, you're gonna have 10-foot ceilings, and that's a standard feature as well. And on the second floor, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings. All right, so let's check out this area right here. This is a nice little flex area. You do have an option to make it into a pocket office. And this gives you an idea. It's a very nice space. If you have, if you're homeschooling or you just kind of want, a little office space for yourself. And over here you have a pool bath. This is very convenient, especially when you have a pool, you have guests over, everyone can just, come over here, use the bathroom. And there's a structural option to add a shower in this pool bath. Here you can put all of your linens, towels. Another standard feature that MasterCraft has is you're gonna have 5 1/4 molding baseboards. All right, and over here we have the kitchen. Check this out. You have the waterfall here. One of the standard features that is included with MasterCraft is you're gonna have the soft close, and then you're gonna have 42-inch cabinets, and can add in the upper cabinets as an option. Over here we have the pantry, very nice size. You can walk in, plenty of storage. And here we have the laundry room. The laundry rooms by MasterCraft are pretty big. They give enough space where you can fit your washer, dryer, cabinetry, sink, and then add in a fridge. All right, let's check out the owner's suite. And you do have a structural option to add in that tray ceiling. And this room is 15 by 20 feet, so lots of space. And then you do have the option to add in a door over here, so you have your own private entrance. Over here we have the owner's bath. And you have a linen closet. Then you have your 2 sinks over here and a standalone tub. Then you have a nice transom window over here allowing natural light. And over here we have the shower. And this owner's bath has 2 walk-in closets. So here's the first one. And then we'll swing around and take a look at the second one over here. So lots of closet space. All right, so this is the upstairs. This is a nice bonus room or loft area. Very nicely laid out. All right, and over here we have bedroom 3. Here we have the walk-in closet. Then we have the bedroom. And then this one is an ensuite as well. We have your bathroom. It's a full bath. This one has the shower option. All right, and here we have bedroom 4. So it's set up as a nice office. Here you have a nice size closet. And this room is 13 by 13 feet. We're gonna check out bedroom 5 over here. And this one is 13 and just shy of 13 feet. Similar in size, nice size rooms. Over here we have the closet. All right, and then we have the last bathroom upstairs. Double vanity. You have your shower. All right, some important information as I make my way over to the pool. Now this model is located in the Courtney Oaks neighborhood within Silverleaf. MasterCraft offers 70 and 80 foot home sites here. And there is no CDD in Silverleaf. And the HOA for this neighborhood is $1,700 a year. And it is a gas community. You're gonna have natural gas. All right, so here we have the lanai. Now, this one has the extended lanai, which is a structural option. Very nice. Without the extended option, it would go from this corner over there, but it extends out from here that way, and then all the way to the other end. Let's go take a look. All right, and here is the entrance to that pool bath. So one of the incentives that MasterCraft has at this time is that they're giving a free pool or $60,000 in flex cash. Now, if you were to choose the pool option, the pool can be any shape up to 325 square feet, and then up to 800 square feet of brick pavers. Now, if you're interested in knowing more, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'd be glad to assist you with more information on Courtney Oaks, MasterCraft, and pricing and availability. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I hope you enjoyed the video.